Big thanks to JNTM Solar Specialists. The installation has been seamless and the ability to have uninterrupted power has been amazing, not only for my family but for me. To run my studio at home, I can write and record music regardless of the load shedding schedule. So thank you guys, it's been a fantastic and important upgrade.
Thanks to JNTM's professional and non-intrusive installation, I'll be watching the upcoming World Cup rugby in my own pub over load shedding time with good mates and a beer.
Hi, it's Alex Jay. Hey, look, I hope my backup power system works rather well. Thanks to JNTM Solar Specialists and Revob, there are no more outages at my posse. Look, don't let any old Joe install your UPS and solar, huh? Get JNTM.